Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. This is Ryan Ahmed with you. I'm a computer scientist. I'm an expert in computer technologies and information science, information technologies, I mean. And I'm a astrophotography hobbyist and a microscopy hobbyist. Okay, so here I have this remote control for the wireless. Okay, it's a wireless remote control called PROfezzion. Okay, and we're going to see how to use it. Okay, it's mainly for DSLR cameras. Whether you have a Nikon or Canon or Sony, it doesn't matter. Okay, all the difference, like when you go to use Canon or Nikon or Sony or whatever, is this cable. Okay, that comes along with the box. Okay, this is for, see this head, this is for the Canon. Okay, this one here is common amongst all other kinds of cables. Like for example, here for the Nikon, you have this. This is the head of the Nikon. This is to the side of the Nikon camera, and this is to the receiver side. Okay, so here, see. Okay, this is what I have now. If you have other kinds of cables, you may test them. Okay, well, I know they will work. Okay, I think I'm not sure, but it seems from testing that they use the same protocol. Okay, of in the receivers. Okay, and communication to do the command, to set the commands to the cameras. Okay, so. I made a video about it on Nikon. You're gonna see enough on a Canon. Okay. This is my Canon camera. Okay, it's 6D, EOS 6D, and inside the box, okay, because I opened it. Okay, first you'll find the cable, of course, but when I bought it, it was for the Nikon, the cable of the Nikon. The cable of the Nikon that I have was this way. Okay, it has this label like this. Okay, but I had from a different kind of wireless remote control called Adolan or Adolan, I don't know, I forgot its exact name, but something like that. Okay, I'm gonna put the link of that kind of remote control in the description. Please open it. Okay, to me, I know I'm just like, to me, the other one is better. This for me, okay, because I'm an astrophotography, I'm an astrophotographer, I mean, but well, if you want to use this, there's no problem with it. There's no problem with it, okay. But to me, that the other one is better, okay. It suits me more, okay. It's better for long exposure and things like that, okay, not just for normal photography, okay. So this is the transmitter. Okay, this is the control. Okay, here it has those three modes. Okay, this one with the black rectangle is for the black rectangle with the white line. Okay, around it. Okay, white borders. Okay, this is for single shots. Okay, one shot. Just to click, you get one shot. Okay, this one here, the one with the white rectangle here, this it has like three rectangles on top of each other. Okay, this is for taking like three pictures like this. Okay, continuous and stops. Okay, tuck tuck tuck, and stops. Okay, now the one in the middle here, the mode in the middle, is that, for example, it's like you take a picture after a delay. Okay, just you click it. Okay, and if you, for example, you want to take a picture of yourself, okay, you just click it, and maybe you can run in front of the camera if you want, let's say. Okay, I know you can point the transmitter from anywhere around the camera, but I'm just saying, if you were for some reason behind the camera, okay, you can just take some time and jump in front of it. Okay, now this comes also with a clip. Okay, this clip is supposed to sit at your side, okay, beside your waist. Okay, here where it should like hold the transmitter. Transmitter has a groove here. Okay, and this is a groove here. Now what we do is uh, put this like this. By the way, this this holder here, this rope, okay, you will have to do it yourself. Don't stop over here. Okay, this is something that you will have to do. Okay, it comes with the box, of course. It's not from outside the box. Okay, now the PROfezzion, I'm talking about this box, so don't you forget what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, and the batteries are AAA batteries. They are AAA batteries, the small ones. Okay, those ones are the small ones. Okay, I'll show you where it says AAA. Here it says AAA. See. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay, so those are the smaller ones. Okay, not the big ones. The bigger one. Okay, the usual thin ones are bigger. Okay, those are the smaller, very small. Okay, and those buttons here is to change the communication channel between the transmitter and the receiver. The transmitter, the receiver, like the transmitter, has similar buttons like these. Okay, they are like mentioned inside the user manual. Okay, the manual. Okay, the user guide. Okay, and also here's a box that comes from inside this main box. Okay, it contains the transceiver. I mean, not the transceiver, but the receiver. The receiver. Okay, so here it is. Okay, just for you for better viewing. Okay, those are rechargeable batteries. Okay, those are AAA2. Okay, those small ones. Okay, but those are of different voltage. Those are 1.2. 1.2 volts. Anyways, so not 1.5. Okay, but they are rechargeable. Those are cheaper ones. Okay, but they work. Now what we do, what we should do, okay, first here we get out the receiver. Okay, that's the back. Okay, so here put that batteries on the side. See, there's a you just put your hand like this. Okay, that's the batteries. They come along with the box. Okay, of the PROfezzion, the main box. Okay. Now there's here on off for it, and this button in order to take a picture directly. Okay. When you are near the receiver. Okay. Another way to turn on the like to take a picture. I mean. Okay. So here we have this camera. This Canon, as I told you. Okay. And from here, from the side, okay, we remove this. Don't pull it harder. Okay. It's just simple. Just by the tip of your okay. So here with where I put the cable, cable here, see. Oh, things are flying because of the ceiling fan. So it's summer. It's very hot. Okay, so yeah, we'll have to bear. So here we put like this. Okay, that's it, and then this one will go. With the transceiver, with the receiver. I don't know why I'm saying a lot of transceiver. Anyway, so here, okay, this has to go like here. But here, what I have is just this bubble level. Okay, just to make to know that the camera is not tilted. Okay, so this is it. Okay, There are other rubbers like this if you want to find them, okay, with different colors and different shapes, okay, just for fun. And in this rail, okay, of course, I put the like, look at me, see here, put the receiver like this, okay, make the socket, okay, go towards the lens. See, if you put it the other way around, okay, if you want to put your eye here to see what you're taking a picture of, what are you trying to take a picture, okay, so you cannot you will not be able easily to put your eye here, okay, so that's why you have to put it the other way around, okay. And then there's this circle here, this screw, just screw it in a way to go, in a way it goes down, and you fasten it this way, okay, so it does not fall, okay. Now this is the cable here, and I put it like this, okay, turn it on, okay, it's turned on, okay, and let's see if when I turn it off, this is how we turn it off first. Turn it on back one more time, so to make this, okay, and here on the transmitter you'll have a on off, okay, so make it on, okay. Now in the camera, okay, first you have to switch it first. It's not like obligatory, but I'm saying like we want to do it for taking photos this time, then later for videos, okay. So here I make the camera go on photo, so I switch it to photo, okay. Now it's on photo, okay. Now the camera, I will have to like keep this closed, okay, this lid closed, because first of all I don't have the Canon lens, okay, or the Nikon lens, okay, but the reason is that I'm an astrophotographer. Photographer. There's no need for us to use those lenses. The telescopes themselves will be the lenses, okay, so buying the body is enough, okay, of the camera, okay, the body of the camera is enough. So let's turn on the camera, okay, now it's turned off, as you can see. Now we have to turn it on, now it's turned on. See the sensor, okay, saying sensor is okay. I'm running it right now on a single battery, okay. Let's take a picture. Okay, let's first of all make sure that everything is well connected correctly, okay. It should be working, okay. It worked with me once, okay. Okay, it seems that I put it on the interval, okay, that's why. So you heard that it's working, okay, but let's try now, put it on the single shot. Now it was on the interval. Okay, I'm gonna do it back again for the interval, or the delay, if you want to say not interval, it's a delay. So, come on. It's taking, but I'm not sure why it's not taking right now. Okay. Well, it took with the interval. Okay. Yeah, it's working. It was not properly connected. Yeah. So yeah. It was just this side was not really connected properly. Okay, I have to press it more. Okay. Now let's take it on the 3 times. There's 3 pictures here on the side where it has the white rectangle. Okay. See, it took it like 3 times. Okay, again. Okay. So it's taking like 3 pictures now. Okay. Maybe with the number, I don't know whether you can see the numbers. Okay. Anyway, you heard it. It will make 3 times 3 pictures. Okay. I don't know whether the mod would help. Okay, or can help. And something else. This is, I use this side from the bottom to take a picture. This is for portrait because there's a like a grip. I advise you to buy a grip. It's very important. Okay, it's very helpful too. Yeah. I don't know why it's not changing the mode. Okay, let's try to move the cable like here. Okay, now I've put it on manual mode. Okay, and I'm gonna change the mode of taking pictures. Okay, so it will be like this way. I click here on this button. Okay, I'm gonna change the mode here. See, now it's on single shot. I'm gonna change it to single shooting. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it to now it's continuous shooting. Okay. Or maybe something like silent single shot is shooting. So continuous shooting. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on single continuous shooting. Okay. Whatever other settings, we're gonna see how the remote control will work. Okay. So here. Okay. As long as you're clicking this, it will keep shooting. Okay. And if you can see, if you want, see the numbering. Okay, So number of pictures is now increasing. Okay. Let's see if I put it on the multiple frames. Okay. I mean the multi. Like this one, the one with the white here, white rectangle, because it takes 3. So let's see. You're stuck on the 3, okay, but if you put it on the single one, okay. So it's like a quick time lapse, okay. So same with the video, doing the same things with the video, okay. So let's switch now to video. I'm gonna press stop start first, okay, then okay, so you have the Wi-Fi is enabled, so you have to disable the Wi-Fi. Okay, this is what it says. So the menu. Okay. Yeah, that's why they call it start stop on the. I'm not totally used to the camera. Okay, still new on it, but still I can use it. Okay, so here when I put start stop, it'll start recording. Okay, but now it's on the setting of the video here on the bottom. So what we can do is let's try to put it on the black rectangle here. Okay, and it's working as a normal single shot camera, okay. Let's try to see what will happen. If it gives you like a red button, a red dot here, it means it's recording. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it took one single shot, okay. Trying to make a video. Let's see if we press this button, okay, on the top here. Okay, let's see what will happen. It's just taking pictures, okay, it's not taking videos, okay, unlike with the Nikon it was, okay, from far. So you have to press this button by yourself, okay, then start stop, okay, and to take a picture, take a video, I mean. So yeah, here. So it's taking a video this way, and I can press it again to stop the video. Okay, so you cannot use it remotely with the Canon, okay, but as you saw, it works with the cable. So, anyway. So I think you better buy the add-on, okay, maybe it would do better, okay. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel.